We have protocols in place. Any change of condition at all, the responsible party or the power of attorney is notified immediately. So whether if it's a fall or if it's a critical lab work, whatever it is that's out of the normal, that's a change that either is a change of condition or could produce a change of condition, the family is notified either via the phone call. That's usually how it is. And then they'll either leave a voicemail and they'll call back. But usually families, when they have their loved ones here, we usually don't get a voicemail very often. When they see our number come across, they usually answer pretty good. So, and of course, we call the doctor too to make sure that we're able to communicate to the family what the treatment plan is and the medical plan is. So that way, because obviously the family member is going to have questions, and we're able to answer that for them. The first thing you look at the baseline of the resident. You look at the way they came in, the state that they were, as far as mental status, as far as their ability to ambulate, just their entire medical situation. And then any change from that, altered mental status is definitely a huge one. If mom came in and she was alert and oriented and she was talking to everybody and she was happy about therapy, and then the next day she's telling you that she sees alligators running down the hallway, that's a problem, and then they're definitely a change of condition. So that's what I considered an acute change. And then obviously any 911, they fall, head trauma, unconsciousness, major change in vital signs. All those are 911 situations, which we hear in numerous StoneGate facilities. They have 24-hour RNs around the clock, so they're able to assess that. Obviously, the safety of the resident is always first and foremost. 911 is initiated, and then after that, and the resident is situated with the EMS department, then the facility is contacting the family and letting them know what's going on. Many times what happens is that one nurse will be with the EMS while the other one is making all the phone calls down the road to call, this family member, or if they can't get a hold of this one, then they'll call the other one. So sometimes it's a team effort. The protocol is going to be the same no matter what. If it's a 911, it's a 911. But, of course, a lot of it goes back to the initial care planning process. Sometimes they understand the disease process. We have something called a DNR form, the do not resuscitate, and we help them with that. We explain that. We get the clinicians involved, and also the physician to explain that process, because sometimes the families don't want them back and forth to the hospital. They want them to be here and to be comfortable and to get the best quality out there.